love each other.
Already today, our oral studies. And help to learn to be obedient to our teachers. Strengthen our complete facility to our studies, so that we will merit the blessings for ourselves, our school, our Lord, country, that will please Amen. In the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you. So, class, how are you today?
We're fine. We're good.
So, before we discuss our discussion for today, I have here a pictures. All you have to do is to describe and guess where the artwork belongs to. Okay, Miss Abad, what do you observe the pictures?
The picture is Gubot.
Then,
there is a woman. She's very sad. I don't know.
thank you. And where's this artwork? What do you think? Where is the belong Miss to sing?
So I think, based on my observation, that artwork is belong to abstractionism.
Thank you. Very good. So, what do you think is our topic for today?
Ma'am,
Okay, Miss to sing.
our topic for today is all about abstractionism.
Exactly. So first, let's read the objectives.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to A. Identify what is abstractionism. B. Draw their chosen styles of abstractionism art movement in a creative way. And C. Value the knowledge learned from the various styles of abstractionism movement.
So these are the example of abstractionism art. So the abstractionism art, just like you were going to analyze or realize what is the message of the art. So that is the abstractionism. So abstractionism art, Miss Abad. So what is abstractionism? Please read Miss Amo.
Abstractionism is another group of artistic styles emerged at the same time as the Expressionist movement. It had the same spirit of freedom of expression and openness that characterized life in the 20th century, but it differed from Expressionism in certain ways.
Thank you. So next. The abstractionist movement arose from the intellectual point of view in the 20th century. In the world of science or physics, formulating a new view of the universe, which resulted in the concept of space-time and relativity. So we have three concepts, which are intellectualism, was reflected even in the art. B. Expressionism was emotional. C. Abstractionism was logical, rational, that involved analyzing, detecting, and selecting, and simplifying. Did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, let's tackle about the group of abstractionism. So we have 4 group of abstractionism. So we have cubism, next, futurism, mechanical style, and last one is non-objective. So this artwork is an example of cubism. So what do you observe, Miss Tusing?
So based on my observation, I observed that there's a lot of different shapes, like the cubes
Yes.
and the circles, and it seems like it's a face of a woman.
Thank you. Very good, Miss Tusing. So let's proceed. Futurism. So, Miss Abad, please read the...
Futurism. The movement known as Futurism began in Italy in the early 1900s. As the name implies, the Futurists created art for a fast-paced, machine-propelled age. They admired the motion, force, speed, and strength of mechanical forms. Thus, their works depicted the dynamic sensation of all these, as can be seen in the works of Italian painter Gino Severini.
So, Futurism admired the motion. What else? Force, speed,
And strength.
and strength.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the Futurism admired the motion, force, and speed, and strength. So these are the example of Futurism art. So what do you think? What do you observe, Miss Bagon?
I observed that there is a black and white color, and then there is a hand holding a machine.
Okay, thank you. Very good. So let's proceed to mechanical style. Okay, Miss Amok, please read.
Mechanical style. As a result of the Futurist movement, what became known as the mechanical style emerged. In this style, basic forms such as planes, cones, spheres, and cylinders all fit together precisely and neatly in their appointed places.
So the mechanical style emerged the style of basic forms, then such as what they use? Planes, cones,
Spheres and cylinders.
sphere, and cylinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the form of arts that we use of mechanical style. So sorry class. So another term of mechanical style, please read, Miss Abad.
This can be seen in the works of Fernand Leger. Mechanical parts such as crankshaft, cylinder blocks, and pistons are brightened only by the use of primary colors. Otherwise, they are lifeless.
So sa mechanical style class, di ba, nagamit sila sa mga shapes like cylinder, cones, planes, and sphere. So this is the example of mechanical style. So Miss Amo, what do you observe the picture?
This picture is, there have many colors, bell beams, and any shapes.
Okay, thank you. So let's proceed in non-objectivism. Okay, Miss Bagon, please read.
Non-objectivism. The logical geometrical conclusion of abstractionism came in the style known as non-objectivism. From the very term non-objective, works in this style did not make use of figures or even representations of figures. They did not refer to recognizable objects or forms in the outside world.
So what do you think is the form of art of this topic, non-objectivism, Miss Abad? So what we use?
There is non-objectivism. From the word non-objectivism, so dili siya object. So meaning, wala. Dili siya object, for example.
Ma'am.
Okay, Miss Bagon.
For me, from the word non-objective, so this work is not, in this style, did not make use of any figures.
Okay, thank you. So exactly, these are the example of non-objectivism. So as you observe, the art is formed lines, full of lines, diba? Wala siya yung mga figures. So this artwork is the example of non-objectivism. So did you understand our discussion for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed to our activity. So our activity, please read the direction, Miss Amok.
Activity. Draw one of your chosen styles of abstractionism art movement in a creative way.
So our criteria for the activity are creativity 30%, application 40%, timeless 30%, a total of 100%. So you may start now. Okay, time's up. Please pass your artworks. Okay, thank you. So now, since you are already understand to our topic for today, so what is our topic for today? Anyone? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Okay, Miss
it's
Amos.
all about abstractivism.
Very good.
For me, ma'am, our topic this afternoon is all about abstractionism, not abstract. Sorry.
It is a logical and rational. It involves analyzing, detecting, and selecting and simplifying. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5 give the 4 groups of abstractionism. Okay, let's pass your paper. Thank you. So in your assignments, in a one whole sheet of paper, write a reflection about abstractionism.
Okay, ma'am.
So that would be all, and thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.